I'm Josh Mertick here again with your weather news. Just before we get into any weather news at the moment, I'd just like to mention a happy birthday message to Shay Millertick, one of our weather viewers. Shay, if you're watching, happy birthday. Speaking of weather, we're going to jump into one of the charts now, and we're going apprentice filming at the moment, sorry. Here's a starlight. As you can see, this is a massive band of cloud down here near the Antarctic Sea, situated with a cold front. This here is also a cold front. If you can see these squares, they look like little dots there. They're lightning. They're all storms, thunderstorms, and we could see them into Queensland possibly on Sunday with a trough. And this here is our northwest cloudline band. Still hasn't moved. It's sitting there, and it could still sit there for another couple of days. Let's move into the next chart now. And this is that northwest cloudline band, as I said the other day and today, still sitting there. Our two troughs are there, and this is the trough that will hopefully kick-start them storms on Sunday as it moves further east. This trough is near North WA, which is causing them storms, and that tiny bit of darkness green there is where the heavy areas of rain, so mainly near South Australia. There's a high near southwest WA, as you can see. That will move east, so we'll get showers again, southeasterly winds once it moves east. There's two cold fronts here, as you can see. This one is set to hit Hobart, Tasmania, Melbourne and Adelaide. That's these arrows showing where it's heading. And this one here is moving east, and there's a high, but you can barely see it on the chart. As we go into the next day, this is that high, just still sitting near southwest WA, but it will move east. Then we got another front just in the far southwest there, which will hit Perth. And then this front here will start to close in towards Tasmania very soon. As you can see, these arrows, the coloured arrows don't make much of a difference. It's just showing where the winds are. These are indicating the winds are still from offshore. But this is that chart. This is Saturday. You can see a bit more green, light greenness here, so only light falls. But as this trough moves further east, we'll see thunderstorms with this trough. Hopefully not too severe though. And let's go to the next chart. And there's Sunday. Here's what I'm talking about. That inland trough will sit over southeast Queensland, and you can see it's looking a bit more heavier here, stretching up into the northeast New South Wales, southeast Queensland in 2 to 4 millimetres. And you can see southwest WA will dry out. This high is now sitting over South Australia, as you can see. Winds going anti-clockwise around the high. And it looks like we've got another big cold front coming in towards South Australia, while this cold front has passed Tasmania and moving east for the winter. On the next chart now, let's actually take a look around Australia and see how your state is. Queensland, 21 to 28 in Cairns with a few showers. 19 to 28 in Townsville, same as Cairns, a few showers. 14 to 26 in Brisbane. It's going to get warmer now in Brisbane and Sunshine Coast places and that as that trough moves east. 15 to 20 in Sydney, a few showers for you. Melbourne, 19 to 16, mostly sunny. Hobart, 16 to 13, a little on the cooler side if you're down there, 13 degrees. 9 to 16 degrees for Canberra and sunny for you. Adelaide seeing a passing shower as that cold front enters towards your state, 9 to 16 degrees. Perth, 5 to 20 degrees and sunny for you. That high pressure system is keeping your state nice and clear. 18 to 32 in Broome and sunny. Most of the same for Adelaide, 12 overnight, getting down to 29 degrees and sunny. And as you can see, Darwin, 23 to 32, nice and sunny there. That's very nice there in Darwin. Let's go to the next chart now, please, cameraman, or camerawoman I should say. Here's a 28-day rainfall for what's left of this month and into next month. Still a low 25 to 50% chance today. Tomorrow, with that inland trough, pushing it up to medium, 50 to 75% chance. That's with thunderstorms too. Then if you take a look at next month, June is looking pretty dry, only low percent chances, nothing high or medium at all. As we move forwards, please. As we move forwards, thank you. On the radar, you can see a few showers still sitting around the Sunshine Coast. But if you notice, they never came onto land. Now, there's probably a good explanation in for that, but I'm not sure what's going on there, I'm afraid. So these showers look like they're moving in, but they're not on. When we get into Sunday, we'll see some storms in the west. As you can see, Toowoomba looking dry at the moment, nothing there. And that was taken at 7:47 this morning. As we move on, please. Here's the southeast coast weather for places like the Sunshine Coast and Maroochydore, both going for 13 to 25 degrees. Nice weather there. As you move further south in southeast Queensland, Redcliffe 24 degrees. Further south, Brisbane 14 to 26, as I said. It's going to get warmer from here on in. Coolangatta 14 to 25. In the west, it's warm also, 10 overnight, getting cool, and in Ipswich. Then 26 for both Gatton and Ipswich. And look, you got the sunny icons there as well. So let's move forward, please, onto the next chart. It's a 7-day forecast. What do you know? Today, 13 to 25 degrees, mostly sunny. Then look, warm. 13 to 26 tomorrow. So it's going to get even warmer on Sunday, 14 to 27 degrees. That's with the northwesterly winds also. And then 14 to 25 on Monday for the first day of winter. Just a clearing shower, not much out of that. Then as we move into the first week of winter, it's looking gorgeous, magnific, as Manu would say. 9 to 21 degrees and sunny. Wednesday, 8 to 21 degrees. So you notice it's going to get cooler through the nights and cooler through the days too. And Thursday, 9 to 22 degrees and sunny. Okay, that's it for now. Tune in next Monday on JOW, Josh's All Round Weather at 6 for another weather news update then. Until then, I'll see you then. Bye for now.